Hi. So today we're getting ready for a festival.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's what we're gonna do. Okay, come do this. Oh, let me get your phone first.
Cool.
Let's start off with primer, baby.
Ik heb ook deze.
Ja.
Ah.
Ja.
En heb je die nieuw?
Niet zijn, dan moet ik.
Die?
Nee.
Oké, welke zou me beter matchen? Die.
I really don't know. Ik kan
Ik ook
zelf
niet.
niet eens matchen, zo.
Oké, maar. Oké. Hola, die. Hola, die.
And we're back. Ew, wat is dat?
Die topcoat.
That is a cheap ass nail polish, baby. My memory was full, but we are back.
My memory was full.
My memory was full, but I emptied it out, all the toxic stuff. Actually, at this point, like all the toxic stuff is still there, but just the happy memories are gone. Because we are depressed. I'm just trying to make my pimples into beauty. Oh, that is not working. Oh, fuck.
Okay, so let me tell y'all a little something. Lisa and I went out for dinner last night.
Do I want to hear this?
Basically.
Je dacht ik zomaar lachen, jongen, gisteravond. Ik dacht het let te pitten.
Ja, het kwam gewoon ineens in fucking...
Basically, kijk, lach ik dacht, oh my god, sir, can I fucking sleep? I'm tired.
Can I talk?
Go ahead.
So, we made a reservation at like
8:15.
8:15. So we go inside and we're like, yeah, we made a reservation for 8:15. Okay, so we basically like, we have made a reservation. So she goes like into this separate room, but Lisa follows her, but Lisa was not supposed to follow her into that room. So basically,
Well, I didn't know that.
so basically,
We just
Lisa
had a really
just-
awkward encounter with the
Yeah.
door.
like the woman opens the door and Lisa keeps it open, but like,
I thought I was supposed to go in. Like,
I'm not gonna go inside, so she's like with that door, and she like a sort of like 5 seconds keeps like standing there with that door. And
was
she acts like, okay, you know what, never mind.
I thought I was supposed to follow her. I didn't know that.
And that was funny.
Oh my god, this shit matched me. This used to be my bronzer.
I know. So we're gonna see A$AP Rocky tonight.
We're gonna see the ugly version of A$AP Rocky. So if we stand very far away or take out our contact, it's gonna be like A$AP Rocky. And then if we're like, okay, we've seen enough, we'll get close and it's fucking Travis Scott. Maar was Travis Scott niet nog net met Kylie?
Net. Only got a
Hij was bij de
is there.
Kylie skin ding.
Echt?
Stonden samen op de foto.
Bij die private jet.
This nigga might not even come.
Wait, hold up. I want to see Travis Scott though.
So none of my makeup matches me. So I'm really just kind of improvising at this point. But this concealer is way too fucking light. Bitch, I'm fucking sick of this. The whole fucking nail flew off.
What the fuck? Ew.
Try me, bitch.
What about it? I'm done.
Yeah, my brows look actually awful.
And I love you. Twist. Fuck bitch, motherfucker.
We gonna put on some eyeshadow.
Forgot do my brows. Oh, you freaking kidding. So I'm gonna do my bang brows. And I'm using the bang brow gel by Dema.
I'm using a Sigma Warm Neutrals palette.
Cause she got money.
I will leave a link down below, and I have a coupon code for you guys.
She making money.
I love this palette. Shadow is so good. I didn't even prime my lids, and it's like blending so well.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Use code Lisa Noah.
I don't remember what it is. Lisa 10 or something? I'm a 10. I'm a 10 out of 10.
I can imagine.
I'm gonna put, what color?
I'm gonna put
The gold on my lid. In the middle.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Hello everyone.
I'm gonna bake a little bit underneath my eyes. Oh.
Wat frickly frack?
Heb je die vlek nagebruikt?
Nee.
Doe je het niet meer?
Nee.
Oh. Using the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics palette, the first one, because most of my highlighters are actually a little too light for me now. So I'm mixing the two darker ones, and it was a beautiful golden bronzy highlight.
You fucking ugly.
Bitch, I know, and what about it? Oh no, I brought the wrong one. This is not Sigma. Oh no. I did not bring my red mascara. Oh my god, I really just brought this fucking wrong mascara, but the tube looks the same. I meant to bring my Sigma one, which is actually my favorite, and it makes my lashes so long. But I did bring falsies, so now I'm considering putting those on. Let's just need
Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? Do you know my lash glue?
Yeah. Oh my god, I really just put lash glue on my nose. This makes my brows look better.
So I just want to say,
Jesus fucking Christ, was that too, boy?
So this is what my makeup looks like.
This is what mine looks like.